Hi guys, welcome back to your channel RayofHope. And in this series, today we're gonna talk about how to create a relational database, right? So, uh, all you can do, you can just search RDS, and then you have something called Aurora and RDS. First, I'll mark it because this is something we often gonna access. Failure to change. What is happening? Let me refresh it. Let's search for RDS market. Okay. So now this is here. I want it shortcut. So I just you can just access it whenever you can log into your AWS console. Here we have the first thing we have over here is dashboard. You can explore from here. You can create a database. However, we can go here and from here we can also create database. So let's try to create a database. So once you click on that, you have a console now. You have two mode. Easy. It's already most of the thing is pre-configured by them, and you not need to do much of the things, right? And then you have full configuration. You would do the things manually. So I want to go manually in my case. You have multiple databases like MySQL. You can also get it for premium AWS account if you buy it. So now you have MySQL, Postgre, Oracle, MySQL, MSQL. Yeah, we are a hacker and we love SQL servers. So I'm gonna choose the SQL server only, and then by default it will select Amazon RDS, which is, and then engine version. So let it wait for a time. It already picked now. I would not have the development environment because again it would require to have a premium account. Database instances, I'm gonna keep it as it is. Then username, master name, I'm gonna keep it admin. Self managed, basically I would need to enter the password over here, or I need to select managed by AWS Secret Manager because this is what I'm gonna do. Now you have a secret manager by default. So I'm gonna keep it as it is. Again, you can create your new key as well. So no, I'm gonna keep it by as it is default only, right? Now, because this was the instances type we selected in our earlier, when we were creating EC2 instances. So I'm gonna keep it as it is, like the database T3 micro only. Now, storage type, it would be similar. Located type 20, I'm going to keep it as it is. Nothing changes. I would not require. Now, connectivity. So, do I want to connect EC2 to compute resources? Let's see what it says our labs environment. So now, what I'm going to do, I'll just try to see what it says. Okay. Don't use. Okay. So, BPC, this was the BPC we created in like we chose in our previous EC2 instances. So I'm gonna again keep it as it is because we need to create EC2 instances with the RDS, right? DB, so it will be default only. Public access no. For a security purpose, I'm gonna keep it no. Then you have security group. What I'm gonna name it? Ray of Hope. Availability zone. Again, this, why did I choose US East 1A? Because if you see over here, my region is US East 1, and when it's A, it's like the first option, so it's A actually. Okay, I'm gonna again keep it certificate authority as a default only, nothing changes, and then enforce it. Create a database. Are there any other configuration we would need to do? No. So let's create it. It will take few couple of seconds. Okay, so now we just created our first relational database in an AWS console. Now, once this is done, we would go for the security group configuration and then connect the EC2 instances with the RDS database. Now, let's see the EC2 instances that we created if it is accessible or not. So, once you access, you can see, right? Status tab, all the checks are passed. So if we would have done some sort of mistakes, right, at the time of creating the instances, the checks will not pass. So if you see there's an error over here, then all you need to do, go ahead and edit it, and then or create a new instances, then you can connect it. Because if there is one a single error, it will create error at the time of connecting to the RDS. So now again we will go to the database over here. It is still creating. Again, probably few couple of minutes. So I'll show you in next video. Thank you for watching.